Hi everyone, welcome back. As you can see, today I have a really exciting unboxing to share with you. I haven't filmed in a few weeks because I haven't really felt like it and I've been really busy, but I definitely wanted to share these unboxings with you. Just a really quick backstory. If you're not interested in it, you can fast forward to the actual unboxing, but basically I had throughout the years always kind of envisioned starting my Hermes collection when I turned 40, so which will be this year. I did get my first Hermes bag last year when we were vacationing in Orlando before everything shut down, obviously. So I'll just show you that. It's my Evelyn TPM in gold with palladium hardware, and I thought that was a really great first bag. I was really lucky to just walk into that store and be able to purchase it. So I really love this, and yeah, I kind of thought, for the year that I turned 40, it would be a really good time to kind of start my collection, other than obviously the Evelyn. So the problem has been I don't really want to pay reseller prices. They're really high, a lot higher than retail. And the other problem is with shopping with the store, I haven't been able to establish a relationship with an SA yet. Excuse me, sorry, I'm losing my voice. I haven't been able to establish a relationship with an SA yet because of the lockdowns. Like, we've been in lockdown here for a long time. The stores have only opened briefly, and I haven't had a chance to get an appointment, and I think they're taking virtual appointments now, which I may look into. But basically my only choice was the website, and off and on I've kind of been looking at the website, but I didn't really think I'd be able to get anything I wanted on the website because it's so hard to get the good bags on the website. They just sell instantly. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna kind of give up on this idea of starting my Hermes collection at for my 40th birthday, and I'll just stick with Chanel. So I kind of went crazy with 21S because I loved so much of the 21S collection. It was just, I thought 21P was my favorite, but 21S, there were just so many bags that I loved. But in the meantime, I still kind of off and on was going on the Hermes website just to see what there was, and I'll talk about what I did see on there on the Canadian website after I unbox, because I don't want to make this backstory too long. I know you guys just want me to open the boxes, but anyway, I did end up, as you can see, finding two bags that I did want, that I was interested in on the website. So I will likely be selling a couple of Chanel's if I end up keeping both of these. I'm going to open them now and show you, and then maybe you guys can give me your opinions on them. I am inclined to keep both, but Hermes does have a really generous return policy. I believe it's 30 days and you can get a refund, unlike at Chanel in Canada where you cannot. So when I bought these, obviously I'd never seen them in person, so I didn't know what I would think. But anyway, let's get into it. So there are obviously two bags here. Let me just show you the boxes. So there's that one, and the giant shopping bag. Okay. And they were really great. They actually couriered them to my house. Rather than sending them through FedEx, which is what they normally do. They actually sent them by courier same day to my house, so that was really nice. They called and told me they'd like to do that. So anyway, customer service has been really great so far. Now, I have to admit, this is not a true unboxing. I repackaged these so you can tell the ribbon is not done as nicely as it would have been, but I did want to open them right away and make sure, first of all, that that the quality was good, and second of all, that I really was interested in keeping them. I didn't really want to unbox them on here and show you if I wasn't going to keep them. That just didn't seem right. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to keep them, but I do want your opinion. So anyway, enough talking. We're already 5 minutes in, so sorry about that long backstory, but anyway, here we go. So the ribbon, all of these details are so interesting to me because I've, haven't bought much Hermes other than the bag last year and a few accessories a few years ago, but the ribbon says Hermes 2021, A Human Odyssey, and then in French. Okay. And the packaging was impeccable, like I would have expected. Before I show you which two bags I got, I want to shout out to my YouTube friend Oksana. If you don't follow her, I will link her channel down below. Both of these styles of bags were inspired by her, so that might give you a clue if you watch her, which I'm sure lots of you do. So thank you, Oksana, for your inspiration and for your help. When I bought these, I was messaging her for support, so shout out to Oksana. Okay, so, and it was packaged really beautifully in the dust bag with the pillow and everything. So here's the dust bag to reveal. By the way, the dust bags are very, very thick, nice quality dust bags. So here is the first bag, and it is the Ruli 23 in black Allegretto calf leather with palladium hardware. So Allegretto calf leather I hadn't really heard of before, but it is apparently similar to Swift, but a little bit more grained. So I guess a little more durable, but it still feels quite soft. If you can see that. So it's not completely smooth, but it's fairly smooth. And I really liked the Ruli because it's very similar to the Constance, which I love, but it's a little more understated. So it doesn't have that big H, obviously, that the Constance has. And this one does work for me crossbody, which is great. Now, Oksana has the mini, which is so cute. I would love a mini. This one is a little bit larger. It's the 23, but I was worried it would be too big, but when I tried it on, it isn't at all. So here, I love this feature, the back pocket. And then it's a flat bag, and you open it, and the strap is interesting. I'll show you that in a second. So it came with a little dust bag for the strap. It is made in France. It's all leather with two large compartments, a slip compartment in the divider here, and then a back slip compartment. And the strap is attached at one side here, and then on the other side it has this toggle. So this allows you to wear it 3 different ways. So you can wear it the longest way, like I have it right now, and it works crossbody for me. I'm 5'4". If you're really tall, it might not. And then you can also loop it under the flap to make it a little bit shorter, like a shoulder bag, or you can double it up. I'm not going to do all that right now. I'll do it in a review, and make it a shorter shoulder bag. So it's pretty versatile that way. So that is the first bag. And this is the color combination I kind of had in mind. I kind of wanted a black with palladium hardware just so I could use it kind of every day. Like, well, not every day, obviously I have lots of bags, but use it sort of with any outfit, have it be kind of carefree. And so this, I was really happy to get this color combination in this bag because it's just a great everyday bag. So that is the first one, the Ruli 23 in black with palladium hardware. So let me know what you think of that one. So let me get this out of the way here. Okay, second one. A larger box, as you can see. And this one is another one, like I said, that was influenced by Oksana, because she has this this bag in another color. Okay, so again, it was packaged really nicely in the dust bag with the pillow here. Oh yeah, and this one came with the booklet. I didn't see the booklet in the other one. I'll have to look again, but I think this is just like a care booklet about the, is it about the different leathers? Yeah, I think it's about the different leathers. I'll have to look at that later. Okay, so here's the dust bag to reveal. There we go. So here is the 24-24 bag in the size 29. And this is in Togo leather with gold hardware, and the color is chocolate / ebony, I believe, is what the website said. So it's a chocolate brown. It is beautiful. The leather on this one, honestly, when I opened it, I was like, wow, the leather is stunning on this bag, and against the gold hardware is so beautiful. So this is another neutral, which is great. Although I would still like maybe a smaller bag and a pop of color, because now I have chocolate, black, and the gold, so it would be nice to have maybe a smaller bag in a nice pop of color. But anyway, this is the, yeah, like I said, the 24-24 bag. What I love about this is it's similar to a Kelly, but it's a little more casual. I've always thought the Kelly was a little too formal for me, but this is like a sort of a casual version of it. So just to show you the style, in case you're not familiar with it, it's a relatively new style for Hermes. It's just, I think it came out in 2018, I believe. And it comes in 3 sizes. So it comes in the 35, I believe, the 29, which is what I have. And then I think there's a 21. The mini one is around 21. I can't remember the exact measurement, but this is the middle size, the 29. So it opens like that, a really beautiful closure. Let me take the felt out. It was made in France, of course. It comes with a shoulder strap that I'll show you in a second. It's got the stuffing in it. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really roomy, and I think I'm gonna get an organizer for it. It has one zipped compartment here, and then the rest is just one big open compartment. So quite a spacious bag. The thing I love about it, well, a couple things I love about it. I love the top handle. The closure, I think, can be a little bit difficult to close if it's empty, but the other feature I love about it, other than the top handle, is the back pocket. It fits my phone easily. I'm filming on my phone, so I can't show you that, but it is a really convenient feature. Oh yeah, and this part and the flap are Swift leather. And then the rest of the bag is Togo, which is so beautiful. What else did I want to show you? Yeah, the strap. So the strap is just a shoulder strap, and it attaches at these rings here. So let me show you that. But you could easily use a longer strap if you wanted to wear it crossbody. So here is the shoulder strap. I still have the plastic on it, so I can't attach it right now, but I will do that at some point once I take the plastic off. So this is the second bag, the 24-24 and the 29 size in chocolate brown Togo leather with gold hardware. So I would love to hear your opinions. Here, let me just get the other one. Which one is your favorite. What are your opinions on these two styles? I feel really lucky that I was able to get these both on the website. Just to show you what I have seen on the website, or to tell you what I've seen on the website, I have seen the Picotin, I have seen the Evelyn bag in a variety of sizes, I have seen the Lindy in a variety of sizes, I've seen the Bolide in a variety of sizes. What else have I seen? I've seen these two. I believe I've only seen the Ruli a couple of times. I've seen the 2424 a few times. Again, all of these sell almost instantly. So you really have to be fast. And that's the thing with these two. I had to make a really quick decision. I'm glad I did it. I really love both of them. But that's that's the thing with trying to get a bag on the website, is you really have to be quick, and if you take time to think about it, it will be gone. So anyway, I'd really love to hear your honest opinions on these. I am really inclined to keep both. I feel like I was really lucky to get them, and they're both really great sizes, great everyday bags, good neutrals. I'd still love to get a pop of color, but my original thought was to get a black with palladium hardware bag, so I think this was really lucky to get this. I was thinking a mini Lindy, but I haven't been able to get one of those on the website yet, and the prices are so high from resellers, so and I don't have a chocolate brown bag. I mean, other than Louis Vuitton monogram, but I think this will be a beautiful color for fall and winter. I mean, for any season, but for fall and winter especially. So anyway, I'm just so excited to have these in my collection. They're just so beautiful. Like, just to see them in person, like, you just see the quality, the craftsmanship, the leather is so beautiful. The design, everything. I absolutely love them. So but I would love to hear your opinions, and thanks again to Oksana for your advice on these. Much appreciated, because you have a lot more experience with Hermes bags than I do, and I'm pretty new to it, so it's really nice to be able to learn from my friends on here. So yeah, let me know what you think, and thank you so much for watching and sharing in my excitement about these two bags. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again, and have a great day.